In this video, we're going to take a look at Google. I believe there's coming a major correction in Google, a big pullback. We're going to start off by looking into the fundamentals of Google, which is very positive, and we're also going to take a look at the technicals, which is signaling that we are going to have this big pullback. But let's just start off by looking into the fundamentals. So here on this chart, we have Google, and how to read this is that you have the blue line. That is the price on the stock. Then we have the green line, which is the net income. And here, if I push this button, we have sales at the new blue line. But what is very important about this is that the thing about a stock is that it will follow. If you have good earnings, then the price will follow that. If you at the same time have good sales. So as you can see here, let's just take a look at the net income. You can see that the net income and the blue line, the price on the stock, is following each other. And every time we kind of peak up and top, then we have a major pull down. We go up here and it's almost all the way up and we have a major pull down. Then we have a really good run up and now we are actually touching the net income level again. That means there might be a big correction coming up. And as you can see, sales is going well also. So actually everything's really good, but it's time for a pullback, just a correction. So if we take a look at the fundamentals, you can see that it's really doing well also because it's just sales is just increasing year by year by year by year. And at the same time, net income is increasing as well year by year by year. So all is good there. And if we go into the quarterly, you can see still everything's looking very well. If we take a look at the fair value, we have 4 models doing that. We have the discount cash flow, the Peter Lynch, the economic value added, and the EV sales. If we do all of those 4 together and we take the average, then the price right now should be 240. So we are just 2.33% above the fair value. So that's also kind of okay. So no alarms there. If we go down and just take a big look, we can see that the company is really robust and it is buying back its share and it's rewarding us, the investors. So shares outstanding is decreasing, which is good. Shareholder yield is increasing, which is good. And rated financial is increasing. All is good. Everything is actually looking very fine and good. So that's, very, very positive. But if you look into the technicals, which we'll do right now, let's just wait a second. I would like to just show you also a couple of things more in here. If we look into the qualitative scoreboard, meaning that we'll ask 10 questions. The 10 questions is it hard to copy even with unlimited money? If it is, you get a 1. If it's not, you get a 0. And actually asking all of these questions, positive customer recommendation, resilience to past crisis, R&D spend, and so on and so on and so on, price powering and so on, then we can actually tick all the boxes off, all the boxes, meaning that, wow, it's a company that really, really healthy and no concerns there at all. So really, really good. It's not often that you see a company have 10 out of 10 in the qualitative scoreboard. So now let's do the technical analysis on Google. I will identify the resistance level, the support levels, and why I think that we're going to have a pullback in Google. First off, I'll start off by drawing in a channel that Google is in right now. And as you can see, we're just hitting resistance level here. Then we went down to the support level. Then we have kind of been going upwards because it's an ascending channel we're in. So we just went up and then touched support again. And then we've just had a major, major gain here, right? Up and now touching the resistance level again. And that's, to me, shows me that we might have a pullback. It's this run up here has really been going very, very fast, and we need to consolidate or have a pullback. And if you look into the history here, it's gonna make a pullback. The question is, how far is the pullback gonna go? Is it gonna go all the way down to support, or are we just gonna have a little pullback now and then continue upwards? So what I think will happen is, if I kind of make one more channel in here, and I do this because I actually think we have, just, you see, when making this, you'll see that we actually also have a channel right here, because we're touching resistance, then support, and then we have all of this down here where we kind of touch resistance again, and we just pulled through right here, and now we're up here touching resistance. So 3 scenarios. One is that we're gonna go sideways. All is good. That's one scenario. The other scenario is that we're gonna have a quick pull down here, and then we're gonna continue up. And then the last scenario is that we're gonna get down to this level, maybe just get a little bounce back, and then go through this support level, and then go all the way down to here. Then of course we're gonna go up again, I think. So that's the 3 scenarios. Let's just go down to the daily. And if I look into this, this is looking, for me, like this is a reversal. And what I'll be looking for now is how it will, I think it will go down here. So I will look, if it gets rejected, maybe double tap on it and then go up again. Then this is the reversal or the pullback. And then it's just gonna, consolidate sideways and then get momentum again. And that is really a scenario, because as you could see on the fundamental part of this analysis, it's really strong. It had some good economics, good sales, good everything, right? So that it might just pull back to this level, meaning it's only a 6% pullback. If it gets to this and it makes a double tap, then it's a buy opportunity. And we are right now talking at a level around the 230. So that's one of the scenarios. If it instead do something like this, and then we pierce to this support line and maybe go and tap it again and gets rejected, then I really believe that we are on our way down here. And then of course there's a big buy opportunity. So really what we're going to look for right now is how it reacts to this level. Will it penetrate and continue further down, or are we going to reject and continue upwards? That's really the question right now, and we have to follow Google now and see what happens. But I'm ready to make a buy either here at the around 230 level, or down here around 170, or who knows, it depends on how long time it will take. What we can do is just to make this line. Last time it went all the way down, and you can also see it just touched, got rejected, touched, got rejected, and then pierced to it, and again it went up, got to, and then it's not a support line, then it's resistance, and it got rejected, and then it went all the way down. So what I was trying to show you was that we have this line right here, and I'll just put it up here, meaning that if it takes the same amount of time, we will hit right here, meaning that it will be something like this instead. And then the area will be 190 or 200, around that area, right? Meaning that we're right here now. It's gonna fall around 20%. So we have opportunity to buy either here or here. And it depends on what kind of investor or trader you are. If you want to sell now, just to be on the safe side, it's up to you. I've just made my analysis and sharing it with you guys. I hope you liked the video, and you'll subscribe to my channel and give the video a thumbs up. That's it for now. Bye bye.